close this door. How dare you delay me? Who are you?
Let me ask you. I'm supposed to ask you who you be. Because mom cannot give me anything. Not tell me saying they expect someone. Not tell me saying you come. So I'm supposed to ask you that question with asking.
Are you stupid? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Who even employed this ocean? Oh my God! Are you mad? I'm coming for you.
No vex, don't do now. Eh? Black witch. This woman a black witch. Eh? Which kind of invitation be this one? No, what I do? What I do? What is Lamila? But say, as he say you tall, this man for not touch you. Eh? This one a big intimidation be this one. Hannah. Which kind of this one? But you too cry now. Eh? Why they cry like a baby? Who no cry? No, I no cry. If like you, she slap me this cat when she slap me, no cry. Why you come the change for me now? Why they change for me? Let me slap you. Eh? Let me say you short self. Eh? No, let me tell you say short. If you talk enough for slap you, come the change for me. I bet take your day.
See, Vicky, you are wrong. You shouldn't have hit that guy. You shouldn't have done that. There are so many ways to settle this without hitting him. Come on, he's a human being like you. You don't treat him like an animal.
What right does he have to insult me, to ask me silly questions in my man's house?
See, nobody is dragging this house with you. Okay? Nobody is dragging here with you. He is acting under my instructions. Oh yes! I asked him to do what he's doing. So you should blame me and not him. You're shouting as if you've gone north. He shouldn't open the gate for anybody. I should have informed him that you are coming in the first place. Oh yes!
What? Inform him? For what? You don't have any right to inform him that I'm coming to my man's house. What are you saying? Babe, listen to yourself. What are you saying? You have to inform him that I'm coming. For what?
Oh really?
Ha!
Oh really? Okay, what if you end up opening the door for a total stranger someday? He doesn't know you. So he needs to ask you. Get it into your damn head. He needs to ask you.
So I don't have any right to come to my man's house anytime I wish to come.
Nobody is dragging that with you.
Babe, listen to me. This guy is leaving this house right now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, before he leaves, I want you to go out there and apologize to him. Now.
What? I should apologize to that small boy? No, babe, I can't do that. I cannot. What are you saying?
Vicky, I said you should go outside there and apologize to that man.
Babe, you are bringing me down. That is a small boy.
You are calling him a boy. See, let me tell you, that man you are seeing there is your elder. Oh yes. So you better go now and apologize to him before anything could be done.
I don't understand. That small boy, my elder. I don't understand. Baby, what are you saying? You're bringing me down. You're insulting me.
Really?
Oh, there you get, man. I can't do that. I want that guy to leave this house right now.
Yeah. Sorry to disappoint you. Oh, yes. I'm sorry to disappoint you.
So I don't have any right to tell you what you have to do in this house?
Please shut your mouth.
Our house.
Shut your mouth and go and apologize to him right now.
Babe, do you know what you're saying? That guy just insulted me and you are accepting that insult?
Go and apologize to him.
Like, you are serious?
Go and apologize to him now.
Babe, I can't do that. I can't. I can't. I have every right to come to my guy's house anytime I wish to come. I don't know what you are saying. You're insulting me too.
You see they cry. Eh? Since that time, you see they cry. Now why you see they cry now? Eh? They do like woman. If they do like this, anybody can intimidate you. No. Eh? See, forget say we short. If they cry like this, nobody go respect you. Now. Oh, yeah, stop now. You don't do.
She slapped me.
I know now. You don't do.
What's the happen for you? Badger. Why your face dey like that?
Now one white witch enter here, slap her. Now they cry since that
Which
time.
white witch?
Now one woman will say na oga woman.
Oga get woman.
I don't know. Me, I just dey reason am. Say maybe na oga woman. She just enter, just slap her. I don't understand.
My cheese dey pain me.
Oh,
My cheese dey pain me.
sorry. No this kind thing we dey see for all this kind work. No dey cry. Oh, you don't know wetin you resemble. It's okay. Oh,
You don't do one.
Oh, sorry.
Bajala.
Oh,
Ah, ah.
sorry. You don't know how your face is built.
Everybody go intimidate you. You small, oh, you don't know. Why they do like this now?
It be like say this man, I go show up for this house.
I bet you am.
I will show up back. Never know.
Show am. I
Come in
support
for
you.
this house.
I support. I get your back.
Eh?
But this time you two they do like woman. Don't do pano.
Stop crying. See as your face is big. You know now your face is big. I better not dey cry.
No, they cry now. Now. Wetin be this now?
She slapped me. She slapped me.
Next time they mind your business.
I go shop it for this house.
It's okay. Don't do now.
It's okay.
Oh, Baja. You don't
You
do
don't
now.
know where you resemble. No, make her not be that kind.
Good afternoon, sir.
That is.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay? Did you hear me?
I hear you.
You see? Come on, stop crying. Okay? See, I don't want you to see what happened here as if someone is trying to maltreat you or someone is trying to oppress you. No. I want you to take it to the heart that someday, sometime, you'll become the boss of your own. What you're doing here is to learn and to build up yourself for a better tomorrow. Those that look down on you will see you at the top. As big as this house, say it to yourself that someday I'm going to build a bigger house like this and also own workers. But the only thing I wouldn't want you to take to heart is I am also going to suppress those who I am better than. No. Anything that should come to your head is I am going to be better. And I will not take whatever that happens to me here negatively to my future. Because when you think that, God will deny you of so many things. So you are going to be better. You are learning. Okay? Stop crying. Come on. Wipe away your tears. Come on, stop crying. Give me a smile. Smile. Good. I go back to your tears.
Thank you, sir. You don't do.
are you shouting?
Look at this fool.
Oh my God. How do you go? Oh, give me. Who begged you? Yeah, what of a pound than you?
Oh, then my customer flow. I said, no, let us go up. I'm not losing my hand. No, I used to sing the brother. Don't touch my brother.
I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. Hope you didn't injure. Go and freshen up. Sorry.
Where are you going to? Because of make cassava, that you look like a fool.
Will you stop that nonsense? Will you stop that rubbish? She's a human being like you. You should consider her too. Come on! You girls of nowadays must you turn everything into drama. This can happen to you, it can happen to anybody, it can happen to your mother, your sister, or your brother, any of your person. Will you get inside before I lose it? It's okay, alright? Hope you didn't get injured. Good. Go and freshen up.
What's the meaning of that rubbish?
See, madam, I know they like intimidation. Shebi Oga never tell you say I know they like intimidation if I dey drive. Eh? You know they say caution inside this motor. Now you write caution.
Are you stupid or something?
Which one be say am I stupid?
You wanna stand and drive me?
Whether I want stand drive, you want make I rest drive you, I don't understand. You go enter inside there, you no go enter, I go rest. I don't want fan.
How did you even manage to employ this boy?
Don't underrate me. Don't even try insult the gentleman in me. Eh? Do you know my ranking in terms of driving? If you don't go enter inside, go sleep. No disturb me. Which kind?
Then you talk like that. Are you stupid? Are you stupid or something?
You slap me.
And I will slap you
Yeah?
again.
You slap the driver of the spirit. Yeah? You slapped me. You have the ghost.
You disgust me. You can disgust me.
Which kind of intimidation be that one? I say, who go give me the authority? Now you are the driver. Now you employ me. Eh? Person go keep calm. Go be like say person that's see. I know they go again. Carry yourself, they go. Which kind of intimidation? Yeah. Give me. Oh my God. And if I do, I do. Your money go by. I stop now, sorry. Hey! Somebody help! God. Oh! Mom. Hey! Mom, come on. I pray you. Come on, now. Don't I pray you. Where's the girl? Where's the girl? Where's the woman girl? I will keep person today. Hola, sorry. I'm like, what the? You don't shut up. This woman can't enter. You don't see person will go visit. No, I don't want. No. I'm a gentleman. I don't want to be them. Come on, I don't want to be them. I won't fight them. I won't fight them. Come on, girl. This is my side. My soul. Where is the come down? Hey, Nana, you get power. When you get up like that, jacking up, this is a food. I think they go flop. You know, flip flop. Now me give us the chance. Hey, Iwi. Anuke. This will not be kunu now. This one now udaki now. Now, but which kind thing be this one now? Eh? So the clothes where Oga hit for up, we'll never finish them.
Can you imagine? Instead of a pack am, go washing machine, wash am now. But her laziness no go fit. They allow her to do am.
Sugar, I think say on this now, if you remove them, you wash them immediately.
I don't know.
Why she can't hip am now? Control for her.
Can you imagine?
Yeah. I don't understand. What it can be this one now? Eh? The one where God give us, it will never even finish. I see the up. It can carry this and come put here.
But, madam, so you know if you carry all this cloth, go washing machine, wash and sharply, na. Yeah.
Oh, I can see you guys have won wings because of my fiancé. You see that wings? I'll cut it into pieces.
I am the one paying them. The money is coming out from me and not you. So as far as I am concerned, you don't need to hit them or ask me to sack anyone on your own detriment. It's not done anywhere.
Chief, you must sack them, especially that driver of a boy, and employ people that are ready for this job.
Oh, really? The last time I checked, you don't know how to drive. Oh, yes. If you're not comfortable with their services, then employ someone that will drive you by yourself. But not in this house.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
I should have known that I've given you something to eat. That's why you're acting abnormal towards me. You now choose your workers over me.
Oh, yes. I choose whoever I want to choose. I choose them over you. Because you are not reasoning anymore. Because your head is filled up with so many negativity. If you don't like it, forget about it. This should be the last time you will threaten any of them or lay your filthy hands on them. You are warned.
I don't understand. Oh, what will you do? What will you do? Hit me! Oh, beat me! Chief, beat me! Is that not what you want? Beat me! You just accepted these children for no reason, and you now shouting at me as if I'm nobody. Beat me, Chief, beat me.
Don't iron the clothes. Sir, I'm done ironing the clothes. Excuse me, sir. Sir, please, can I talk to you? Sir, I understand what you're passing through. I know how you feel, especially your fiancée. Her attitude is nothing to write home about. So, and I know you love her so much. So, I have a plan. Yes, I do. Sir, I pray it works out.
You don't need a prophet to tell you that my man has traveled for a business trip and is left for us. to help ourselves. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma.
So you must abide by my rules and regulations. And I will not entertain any form of misconduct. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma.
Failure to do that, you will be kicked out of this house. Am I understood?
Yes, ma.
Am I understood? I'm talking to you.
Yes.
I'm talking to you. Mr. Man, I'm talking to you. Better. Now, discharge to your various posts. Out! I said get out. I'm talking to you guys who are still here. Get out. Officer. Stupid children. Nonsense. Ekakweba. Ekakweba is talking about wood. Oh, yes, it's not my This is my house. Get out. Get out. Officer.
Everything was planned. Yes. I planned everything with Oluwaji. Even my trip, I faked it. Did not travel to anywhere. I did it just to achieve my aim. You see, in this life, the reason most people suffer is because God turned it around. What you wish others, sometimes will come back to you. I wasn't asking for too much. I wasn't insisting that you should worship them, embrace them, eat in the same, or eat from the same plate with them. No. But at least give them little sense of belonging. These people here, they are the one in charge of the food you eat. If they don't open the gates, you cannot come in. If they don't start the car, you cannot move. They do almost everything for you in this house. That is the more reason we should treat them better than any other person. Because they have the key to your life. They can just buy you within some seconds or walk it to Naira. Yeah, you are gone. Oh yes. I keep telling people that God made you rich doesn't mean you should turn lion or lioness. Everything that God has given to you, you should manage it in a way that people around you will smile, people around them will smile, and everybody. So when God has given you that opportunity and made you the light, and you're standing on the hill like this, everybody is to see through you. This person will see through you. This light now is giving light to almost everybody in this camp. But when you become, when God have given you or have made you that light, you bring up a bucket and then cover it so that nobody will see through it. You too will remain in darkness. Okay. Did you even for one day believe that these people could be your source of living today? Okay, let's assume this kidnapping, the whole thing was not planned. Who knows what would have happened to you by now? Maybe they would have killed you, shear your parts into pieces, maybe harvest your organs or rape you. They would have done something dangerous. But because we really want to prove to you that you can be the king today, and tomorrow you become a servant. And the way you treat people when you were a king is the way people will treat you when you have gone back to be a servant. That is the reason we should treat everybody fairly. They are human beings like us. I'm enjoying their company. That's the reason I've employed them. And I expect everyone to do the same.
Madam, we are very, very sorry. We don't mean to hurt you. But all we expected from you is love and cooperation, and not harassment and discrimination. Ma, we are really, really sorry. If we don't do anything, please forgive us. Forgive and forget, please. Sorry.
Madam, we dey sorry. We dey sorry. The thing be say, you na good person, you are a nice person. Forget all this initial gara-gara. If person look inside your heart, the person will know say you be good person. Just that all these things we dey do can no mean say we hate you. No. Just that we want to make you follow Oga, they treat us the way they treat us. Oga has been a good man to every one of us. Na true, I been alive. Now because of his story where we hear outside, as good way he be, now he give us the courage, the boldness, say we will come, because we don't look for work for many places. Even the insult come make us we tired to find work. We just, as we hear about him, say na good man, now we say maybe we can try. And true, Oga na good man.
Yes, 100%.
The thing where they be say for society, they think say we no fit do anything. As in, they just they treat us anyhow, and the thing they pay us. If they pay us for mind, imagine they think say we no go do anything. But we no be handicapped now. We they capable and able. Anything, you see all those top people, anything we they fit do for this life, we go do. And the highest thing we say, if our hand no reach, and we climb a chair. No be me they climb chair, they collect something they cook. The most important thing at the end of the result, if they cook better soup, I cook better. My soup no dey sweet. The important thing at the end result, and as long as they treat us good, you know come they treat us good. The thing come they pain us for heart. Now it make us no be say we hate you. I beg, I just want to use this opportunity. They ask you on myself, for myself, with myself, and on behalf of my co-workers, say make you forgive us, please. Forgive us.
Madam, I won't say I dey sorry for all the gbasgbos when I don gbasgbozi for this house. Forgive me. All the disrespect. We should be treated equally. Not they discriminate us. Please, ma. Forgive us. All the disrespect. All the wahala, headache. Please, no vex. Oh, no go.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm very, very sorry for the way I have treated you guys. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. You guys are my friend, but I'm really sorry the way I might have treated you guys. I know Honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
The Bible says to err is human and to forgive is divine. I want all of us to forgive ourselves.
Oga boss, I don't forgive her. If you say I never forgive her, for now, madam, for don't buy. Because my great grandfather spirit, you know, they like me, they intimidate me, all of them I know. They fight for me way, way. Let me just they calm them down. If not, they for don't retaliate. And because I don't carry my heart, give choosing people. Okay.
Very funny. I thank you very much for your understanding. I thank you for your love, your support, your encouragement. Nobody is above mistakes. What we are praying is that if you do mistake and you are corrected, then the ability of you to pick up and change, that's what matters in every human life. She's deeply sorry and sick. And I promise you, it will never happen again.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to really say that this night is a night of my workers, and I.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I beg, make the special cook collect her own. You're welcome.
Yeah.
I love you all.
We love you too, sir.
This call for celebration.
Yeah.
I want you to join our Dioko in the kitchen.
Okay.
Let the party begin.
Hey!